Ladies and gentlemen, good day. Welcome to the channel. Today we are jumping in to an AI-based search engine that's making waves in the tech world. We're talking about Perplexity AI. So without further ado, let us jump in and see what everyone is buzzing about. The first thing we want to know is, what is Perplexity AI? Perplexity AI is not just another search engine, it's an AI chat-based conversational search engine. What does this actually mean? Well, it uses advanced technology like natural language processors, or NLPs, and machine learning to provide precise and accurate answers to questions. Unlike a typical search engine, Perplexity AI has a chatbot-like interface, which means users can ask questions in natural language. It's like having a conversation with your search engine. Let's have a look at some of Perplexity AI's standout features. Perplexity AI has several unique features that set it apart from the traditional search engines. Firstly, it provides direct answers to your queries, citing sites and sources from around the web that is browsed to provide the correct answer. This means you get a comprehensive answer without having to click through multiple links and look for information. But that's not all. You can also follow up questions on any topic for a deeper dive, and Perplexity will respond, keeping its earlier responses in context. This makes it feel like you're having a real conversation with the search engine. Perplexity also offers features such as user sign-in for personalization, persistent search history, and social sharing. This means that you can customize your search experience, keep track of your past searches, and share interesting findings with your friends. Despite its impressive features, Perplexity does have some limitations. Let's have a look at some disadvantages. For instance, it may encounter difficulties in understanding ambiguous queries or questions with multiple interpretations. This is, however, a common challenge in the field of NLPs, and something the team at Perplexity is continually working on to improve. Moreover, like any AI-based system, Perplexity depends on the quality and comprehensiveness of the training data. This means that it may lack the judgment of human experts in certain situations. However, as AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect these limitations to eventually diminish. Let's have a look at some pricing. Perplexity AI can be accessed for free with some limited features. However, free users cannot access the GPT-4 and will have limited access to Copilot. This might limit the depth and the breadth of your answers that you will be receiving. To overcome the limitation, you can upgrade to the Pro plan for $20 per month or $200 over your year. The Pro version gives you full access to all of the features, including GPT-4 and Copilot, providing a more comprehensive and personalized search experience. So, Perplexity AI, even if you are using its free version, you get so much to your disposal. We're having a look at the free mode. Really, we're focusing on what Perplexity AI is offering for free. And if you just have a look at the web search, the academic search, the regular writing, the Wolfram Alpha, as well as the YouTube video search and the Reddit discussion and opinion search. Really, the amount of value that you're getting in Perplexity AI is absolutely astounding. And then, of course, additionally, you have the Discover tab, which is located on the left-hand side of the screen. You can also use the Discover tab to build on some of the latest and most trending subjects and topics that are jumping out at the moment. So just for example, Adobe's AI tool for music. If you would like to know more about what is actually written here, it is so easy to just go ahead and ask a follow-up question or use one of the related questions that you see over here to really understand what is actually happening in this article. So is Perplexity AI a search engine, or is it a chatbot? It's actually more than both of those things put together. I really think that Perplexity AI is one step towards changing AI and how we use AI and how we will be using AI in our future. I think there's a lot to look forward to. So, in conclusion, Perplexity AI is a promising tool that combines the usefulness of search engines and also the power of generative capabilities of the AI chatbots it's using. It's definitely worth checking out if you're looking for a new way to find information quickly and accurately. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, drop us a like. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments section below. We'll see you next time. Cheers.